So I tested Beforeflix to see if it really gives early access to movies, and here's the honest truth. Beforeflix claimed to offer early access to unreleased movies and shows through exclusive early access badge. It promises fast access before mainstream platforms. What I found during the test, after analyzing information and user feedback, Beforeflix does not deliver any real streaming content and has no legitimate library of movie or official streaming rights from service like Netflix or Disney Plus. What happens instead is a sequence of verification steps that push users into third-party offers, surveys, and download tasks that generate affiliate revenues for the site owners, not early movie access. This means users go through loops of offer without ever getting the promised badge or content. Data like emails and phone numbers can be collected using marketing or sold, and some tasks might even expose you to unwanted subscriptions. Beforeflix looks professionally designed and it claims to offer an exciting benefit for users. But the problem is, there is no actual early streaming content provided. Users are pushed into fake verification funnels. Personal data may be harvested and shared with third parties. No affiliation with legit streaming services. No real early movie access, likely a deceptive funnels and data privacy concern. Beforeflix is not a legitimate service for early movie access, but it's a funnel that tries to collect personal information and drive affiliate offers. You should avoid it. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.